Ai, tēnā koutou, ko Moerangi rākau pai ahau. Kei te kōrero ahau I roto I tō whare kei Kauriki, kei Ngāpuke, I Taumaru Nui, ai ngā mihi kia koutou. I was asked to write some resources for whānau to do while we're all in lockdown and even beyond that into the future. So one of the things I know is that a lot of our people are going into wānanga for karanga, for waiata, for mōteatea. So those sorts of wānanga are happening. And so those are really good. But there are a lot of our whānau who may want to have wānanga at home or have opportunities or hui at home to work on how they themselves can strengthen themselves in terms of their own whakaaro, in terms of their own kōrero, their own histories, their own whakapapa and so forth. And the activities themselves are just simple. They're activities that can be used in the home. You don't need to be an expert or an orator or a teacher or a trainer or anything like that. They've got simple instructions. You don't need to go out and buy any resources. Just find a pen and paper if you need to. There's a couple in there for tamariki, but they're all designed to actually help you to connect or reconnect, if that's the case, with your own whānau, your own hapu and your own iwi. And also, you know, for many of our whānau, they've lost contact with their marae, with their hapu, with their iwi, and for some whānau, they don't know. So these activities help you to start again. There's an activity in there about whakapapa. You can reset your whakapapa. You know, when our tupuna left Hawaii, wherever that may have been, they had to restart their whakapapa again because they were in a new place. So, for example, my tupuna came on the Te Arawa and Tainui Waka. So when I look at my Te Arawa whakapapa, it goes back 26 generations to Tamati Kapua or to Ngātaroirangi. But some iwi, they go back 78 odd generations back to their waka. So, and then of course, with urbanisation, some people's whakapapa can only go back maybe 3 or 4 if they're lucky. The thing is, we can reset. That's the great thing about whakapapa. You know, it is what it is, you know. So the activities themselves, yeah, as I said, they're simple. Hopefully you'll enjoy them and be able to use them. And the other thing too, though, is that you can share them with others. You can adapt them to suit yourselves. You know, there's no sort of right or wrong way to do it, but it might even just give you some ideas about how you do it, you know. Yeah, so the Etu Whānau activities that are on our Facebook page or our website, just go there and have a look and see how it goes. So kia ora, ngā mihi. Oh, ko Moerangi ahau, tēnā koutou.